Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Venmo account to your Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Venmo application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your Venmo account, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which is the settings option. From the settings menu, tap on payment methods and you will find add a bank or card. Go ahead and tap on this and then tap on a bank or a card, whichever method you wish to add. After verifying your bank and adding it to your account, you will be asked to enter your bank account information. After entering all of this information, you can go into your Cash App application and then log into your account. After logging in, tap on the bank account option at the bottom left corner and then tap on direct deposit. From the direct deposit menu, you will need to enter your account details that you have used within your Venmo application as well. After adding your account information, you can go into the history menu from the bottom right corner for Cash App, and now you will find that your Venmo account has been verified and you can make your deposits directly from Venmo onto your Cash App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add money from Venmo onto your Cash App account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.